In this video, I'll demonstrate how to install the interior shelf. So there's three parts with the interior shelf. The shelf itself, and then there's going to be two keys that lock the shelf in place. So to install the shelf, you take the side that has the little tabs on it, and that's the side that goes in first. Tilt it in. Tip it up. Push it into those little notches on the back of the front panel. Take your keys, slide them in, and they lock into little pockets, little notches on the inside of the sides. And there you have it, interior shelf. There's two different heights that it can be installed at. This is the raised height, and there's also a lower height that it can also be installed at. Thank you.